wanna get behind the wheel, but only one rider. I just feel got me swimming like a diver. Take, let go, I got plans in Okinawa. My heart's in Japan, quake loose.
Hey guys, welcome back or welcome to my channel. So today is Thursday, July 9th. It is currently 2:00 p.m. right now. Today I'm going on my friend's boat. Hey guys, it is currently 2:34. Sorry, the air conditioning's in the back, I can't hear me, but like, what am I saying? I'm almost done packing my bag.
Before my time is up, hey, let's get it now.
Tell us the story.
So once upon a time, this kid named Theo, and this girl named Annie's over there.
And I peace.
Nah, she swerved him.
Yeah, no, but then I said peace to her. I ended everything.
Thank you, yeah.
Get a good feeling, yeah. I get a feeling that I never had before. No, I get a good feeling, yeah.
Yes, I can. Doubt, better leave. I'm running with this plan. Pull me, grab me, crabs in the bucket can't have me. I'll be the president one day. January 1st.
Okay. Hey guys, my name is Luca. Look at my layer. It's like the Thundermans. You like the thing they have? Yeah. Just had some dinner. No, wait. It's a TikTok show. Hey guys, so I just ate food and now they're chilling in the river, the lake. What is this? A river? I don't even know. But it's really, really nice out.
Angel boy, don't say that. Never gonna stand a chance. Heartbreak like a sad romance. Said that you never come back again. Been 3 days, now you're back again. But I'm not your man. No, I'm not your man. I can blow your mind like whoa. Why be faithful when you got hopes? Drop top and off we go. We gon' pop off. That's how we roll. Your perfect face, not to mention your perfect body elegance. The way you move while you're dancing.